Hey there, welcome to Craftaboo. My name is Amber Johnson and I am a crochet blogger and designer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change colors in crochet. It's very simple, but it is a beginner skill that some people do struggle with, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial and show you how to do it. So let's dive right in. So this is the base of my project, and as you can see I've got a couple of stitches left, and I'm going to be changing color on my next row into this white right here. Hopefully you can see it against the white background. But I don't want to have to tie any knots in the yarn or do anything like that. So I want to be able to do a smooth transition and a very clean color change. So I'm going to finish my last couple of stitches by going like that. Finish my stitch. And then what I'm going to do, now normally if I'm working in rows I would chain one and turn, but I'm going to leave it as is right now, and then I'm going to pick up my other yarn that I want to change the color to. And then what I'm going to do, leaving this loop on the hook, I'm going to go ahead and hook this up just like that, and leaving the brown on, I'll just pull a loop through. Making the white yarn is now my working yarn. So then I go ahead and make one chain, and then I pull my brown and my white tails down so that it's a secure fit, just like that. And that'll be my chain one and turn for my project. And then I can just use my white yarn to go on my next row, just like I've been doing with my brown yarn. So it's very simple, easy color change. You don't have any knots in the yarn that will show up in your work. And it's fairly simple. So you can see a nice clean color change right there on the edge. We've got the brown from the previous row and then the white from the next row. And then I'm working my next stitches in the next row. So we'll try that again. We'll pull out the white and show you again. Let's see if I can get the loop back up here. Okay, so I'm at the end of my brown row. I want to leave the previous color on the hook, just like that. Leave a good tail of yarn for the color that you're changing to, just so that you don't have any risk of it pulling out or unraveling your work. And then just hook it over your hook like that. Pull a loop through, just like that. And then the white is now your working yarn. So grab and do one single crochet to make a little chain one and turn. Make sure you're pulling all of your tails tightly so that it's a good secure join. And then you can turn and continue on with your project. Now you can do this anywhere in your project. You don't have to do it at the end. Anywhere that it calls for a color change, you can do it this way. There's many different ways of changing colors, but this is the way that I prefer because it does leave a cleaner look and there's no bumps of knots being put into the project. And it's a lot classier and a lot more professional finish on it. So there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and reach out, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.